If you want to learn how to add a video in Gamma app quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can insert a video into your Gamma presentation without confusion, even if you've never used this feature before. This is a really useful trick if you want to make your presentation more engaging, add product demos, share tutorials, or embed a YouTube or Vimeo video directly into your deck. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. First, log into your Gamma account and open the presentation you want to edit. Once you're inside the presentation, make sure you're on the correct card or slide where you want the video to appear. This is important because Gamma lets you place content very precisely, so choosing the right spot first will save you time later. Now look to the right-hand side of your screen and open the Insert menu. This is where Gamma keeps all of its content blocks and media options. When the menu opens, scroll until you find the Videos and Media section. This area is designed for adding rich media elements that make your presentation more dynamic and visually appealing. Next, select the video platform component you want to use. For example, if your video is on YouTube, choose the YouTube component. If it's hosted on Vimeo, choose the Vimeo component. Once you find the right one, drag and drop it directly into your card. Gamma will place the component into your layout, ready for your video content. After that, click into the newly created video component and paste your link or embed code. If you're using a standard video link, make sure it's the correct share link. If Gamma asks for embed code, copy the embed version from your video platform and paste that in instead. Once the link is added, Gamma will automatically load the video into your presentation. At this point, you can adjust the placement if needed and make sure the video looks good inside the card. Depending on your layout, you may want to resize or reposition the elements so it fits naturally with the rest of your content. A clean layout helps your presentation look more professional and keeps your audience focused on the message. And that's it. You've now added a video in Gamma app. It's a simple process once you know where to go, and it can make a big difference in how your presentation feels. Whether you're building a business pitch, a classroom lesson, or a content-rich deck, adding video is one of the fastest ways to make your Gamma presentation more engaging. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy app tutorials, and comment below if you want to see more Gamma tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.